Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a folder in Canva. So this feature will probably useful if you want to make your works more organized in Canva. So first you need to open Canva, and then here you go to projects at the left panel. And here there are of so many folders that I've created, and to make a new folder just go to the top, and here you'll find there is a plus icon. So just click on that to add a new folder. Click on folder, and here's name your folder, for example new project, and then after that just click on create folder and the new project created. And to see that, you can just swipe, and here is the folder that I created. So you can see that this folder is empty, and if you want to add a design into this folder, so you can just go to home and then find your design, for example okay, this one, or okay, this one right here. Click on the three dots icon, and then here you'll find there's option to move to folder. So just click on the arrow and then click on your projects, here the arrow, and here choose the folder. So for example, this one, this new project, just click on that again, and here click on move to folder. So the design has been moved, and if you see on the projects and at the folder, you can see now the new project has been filled with the design that I moved before. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.